My name's Mickey and I'm the Co-Production Officer for the Riverside Group. Co-production is a values-based approach where customers and professionals have equal power in the design and delivery of a project or a service. It's vitally important that customers are empowered to be able to shape the way services are delivered to make them more person-centred. Co-production ensures customers feel valued, it increases engagement and can help revitalise communities. My role is to embed our customer consultation, involvement and co-production procedure across our care and support services. Since starting my role in January 2022, I've worked with customers and colleagues at services across the country to identify local flexible opportunities for customer engagement and begun to create local co-production charters individual to each service. There are a really wide variety of opportunities available to customers depending on their interests and circumstances. These include local and national options to be involved in the design and delivery of Riverside services, such as recruitment of new staff, the community and quality assurance. A big part of my role is to raise awareness of what co-production is and the value that it brings. Part of this has involved co-producing a training session with customers and colleagues to provide our teams with the skills and knowledge to create meaningful co-production activities where they work. The training's proven incredibly popular, with over 170 colleagues taking part in the training over the past 2 months. And to further spread the word on co-production, I've also set up a co-production guru network that consists of over 40 colleagues and customers who meet on a monthly basis to contribute to projects affecting care and support and share good practice. Work collaboratively with customers and colleagues from 9 different pilot schemes to agree the main elements of the training and to ensure that they were delivered in an engaging and productive way. The training's been delivered to colleagues remotely across care and support using Teams, and we've also held a few face-to-face workshops in some services across the country. As our approach develops and we increase involvement, I aim to co-deliver the training with customers in our services. By placing the customer at the heart of everything we do, our levels of customer satisfaction have increased. Hopefully they will continue to increase. And that's just by ensuring that we listen to their views and take action. We'll get a greater understanding of the voice of lived experience, so we'll be able to make sure that our services work best for the people who need them. We'll develop the roadmap of involvement and co-production to ensure that flexible opportunities are made available to customers in a range of ways that will interest them and be best suited to their needs, and that those opportunities will further develop their skills and confidence to increase their engagement at all levels in the organisation. We'll define standards and expectations for each activity within the care and support pathway, and we'll ensure that the voices of customers across care and support are heard by ensuring that new initiatives are designed to engage as broad and diverse a group of customers as possible. So obviously co-production is our way of making sure that we've actually listened to the customer views. All these things on the Together with Tenants Charter, relationship, communication, voice and influence, accountability, quality when things go wrong. The co-production training that I'm delivering is talking to our colleagues about all of those different things and how we can work in our services to improve relationships, to make sure that our communication is clear and accessible and inclusive, making sure that we're listening to our customers' feedback, we're listening to their voice, their influence on our services. We're really making sure that we're taking that down and we're recording it. And also, in the training we talk a lot about accountability and how we are responsible for our service and the information that customers receive, and making ourselves more accountable as well. And we do also talk about quality, as when things go wrong, we have quite a robust complaint procedure, and that is explained to all customers when they move in. The Together with Tenants Charter provides a really clear framework to any housing association looking to increase their accountability and empower customers to make a meaningful, positive impact on the services that they're receiving. We have a responsibility to be accountable to our customers, and their lived experience is absolutely vital in informing and shaping the way services are delivered. If we fail to capitalise on that understanding, then we fail to meet the group's expectations of us in relation to our KPIs, and we fail to achieve the levels of quality that our customers actually deserve. Apart from these really valid business reasons, it is just morally the right thing to do. Some of our customers, especially those in our homeless services, they've been marginalised, they've been written off by society, and by not acknowledging the value of their experience and views, we only perpetuate that trauma. And our customers actually really deserve to be respected, validated, and they have the right to choose what kind of services they should receive.